Hello again, my name is Jessica, and I'm your Zon.Tools tutorial assistant. For today's video, I will be showing you how to create your PGN. To start, upon logging into your account dashboard, from the left side panel, click on Amazon Seller, then click Ads, and then Sponsored Products. Once the page has loaded, your default landing page is your campaigns. So click on Product Group Network. Next, you will see the PGN dashboard, and the Add New PGN button is available on the right side of the dashboard. When you click the Add New PGN button, a modal will appear. The first part of the modal is where you will choose your product or SKU. You also have an option to manually add the SKU. After choosing the product, click the Next button. In the second window, you will set up the rules. As suggested in our previous video, when setting up the rules, we highly suggest using the Rules Wizard to calculate the rules for you. In this video, I will quickly show you how to use the Rules Wizard. For more detailed information on where to get the data to input on your Rules Wizard, please refer back to our How to Automate Non-PGN Campaigns video. Let's say your product sale price is $29.99. A profit margin of 25%. For your profit margin after ad spend, let's put in 0. Next is the CPC or cost per click, let's say it's 76 cents. And then for the CR, let's say it's 9.73%. With the Rules Wizard when creating a PGN, the only difference with automating your non-PGN campaigns is, with the PGN Rules Wizard, it asks you for your keyword amount, or the number of keywords you'll add for the PGN. So let's say we add 2 keywords. Then for the keyword change speed, make sure you've adjusted it to 20%. Once you have added all the data, click the Apply button. Now you have your rules set for you. The next is to complete the PGN information. Add your PGN name, you could add the SKU or the name of the product. We also suggest adding the word PGN to identify easily the campaigns created by the PGN. You also have to input your average product rating. Moving on to the next step is to click the Advanced Setting button to make sure all rules are populated. Here on the Advanced Settings, you will also see toggles for your PAT campaign. These can be toggled on if you choose not to let the system copy what Amazon would suggest for your brand, category, and ASIN ad groups. If these toggles are left off, the system would automatically copy what Amazon suggests for your brand, category, and ASIN ad groups. If you choose to toggle them on, what the system will do is it will create the ad group, but it will not add any targets. As for the exact legacy automation, we strongly advise you not to toggle it on unless you are familiar with our old legacy automation. Once all is set, you can now click on the Next button. On the next page, you'll add your keywords. Make sure when adding keywords, you have to add 1 keyword or set of keywords per line. For example, keyword 1, then the next keyword needs to be on the next line, so keyword 2. You also have the option to upload a CSV file for your keywords. On the right side of your modal, you will also have to choose the defense ASIN for your defense ad group. If you choose not to add defense ASINs, what the system will do is it will copy all of your products from your catalog. We recommend that you choose your defense ASIN that is relevant to the product you are advertising on your PGN. Then click the Next button. The last page of your PGN creation is the summary of your PGN information. Once you have reviewed all the information, click the Create PGN button. And you will see the PGN saved successfully modal. And now you're done creating your PGN. Watch out for our next videos to learn more about using and understanding Zon.Tools.